Hi everyone, my name is Ryusei and I'm the founder and CEO of ReachBest. And first of all, I want to say congratulations for making it to phase 2 of the application for full stack engineer internship. We got over 150 applications and you're one of the people who we selected and we thought was really good for our phase 2 challenge. So be very proud of that. I'm very excited to sort of see how everything turns out. First of all, let me just very briefly introduce myself over video, I guess. Well, I'm Ryusei. I'm studying at UC Berkeley. I'm studying political science and business. I have participated in some stuff, and I'm half Mexican, half Japanese. I was born in Mexico, and I did high school in Japan, and I'm in the US. So very nice to meet you, everyone. And in this video, I want to just give an overview of the internship, what it is about, what to expect from it, as well as I want to sort of talk a little bit about the coding creativity challenge and sort of try to clarify any questions that people might have. Regarding the internship, the basic thing that we're trying to build is a web app that allows students to stay on top of their goals and stay motivated in their college admissions process, because ReachBest is a college admissions consulting, as I assume that you all know. And for this particular internship, I want you guys to think of it as a summer startup school. It's more of a summer startup school. So right now we're in the Berkeley Skyvic Incubator program, Part 13. And it's going to be something like that. It's where you learn how to build startup-like products. Just key things that I think we should be very straightforward about is it's an unpaid internship, because the objective is more to learn and educate rather than build something that is going to be like the final product. It's going to be part-time internship. It's going to be online and it's going to be about 6 weeks long. And we'll have an international team coming from different parts of the world. In terms of like rewards and benefits, I guess there are 3 main things. First of all, there will be workshops to learn how to build high growth products. So think something like Google or Facebook or Snapchat or Instagram in the education technology space. And the workshops will come mainly from what I've learned in UC Berkeley, Stanford, Harvard, Skyvic, Y Combinator, and that kind of stuff. The other thing why this is a good internship is it's a good opportunity to build your portfolio or your resume. So in this project, we'll have at the end a demo video that you will be able to showcase to future employers if that's what you want. And the third thing is that there will be an opportunity to get hired after the internship period. In terms of like the timeline, right now we are in the coding creativity challenge, which is phase 2. It ends in May 17th. So by that time you should be uploading all your websites. After that, we will be doing interviews more for like personality. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? How is the culture going to fit with your type of persona? And then we'll start the internship. And skills that we think are essential for anyone to be able to get the most out of the internship are the following: the ability to create high fidelity design and the ability to make it in a professional setting. So that's something that we'll be sort of helping with. And this ability to create inputs and then interact with backend databases. That's also going to be very, very crucial in terms of technical skills. And the other thing is there will be stuff probably that you might not know how to build it. And we'll have to work together to sort of develop these new skills on the go as we sort of progress through the internship. And then lastly, the ability to translate ideas into code sort of swiftly or quickly. I think that's most of everything that you should know for now about the internship. If you have any questions, of course, do let me know. I'm happy to always answer anything. Moving on to the coding creativity challenge. What I want to touch on, and this is the only thing that I want to say, well, I'll say two things. First of all the information is in the document. So do refer to that one. It's a 5-page document that outlines the descriptions, the specific sort of settings or milestones that you should be hitting, as well as the criteria, frequently asked questions, and all that kind of stuff. In terms of expectations, I guess in one word, we're not looking, or in one sentence, we're not looking for anything too crazy or too out of the ordinary here. We're simply looking to test your fundamental programming skills and your basics as a full stack engineer, which that includes, of course, coding as well as design, those two things. So don't spend too little or too much time building the website. So if I was to sort of give a number, it's between 5, we're expecting candidates to spend between 5 to 15 hours in the challenge over the course of 1 week. And it's going to be a one web page. So only one page, sorry. You can stay very simple in terms of design. There's no requirement to sort of go above and beyond in any setting for this yet. We do want a functioning matching system that allows you to sort of match people with, or different types of questions with, like book preferences, because that's functionality will be important for the internship, or sort of stuff similar to that is going to be important. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, we're trying to look at your style and your strengths through this website that you're building. We want to get to know what kind of personality you have, what kind of taste you have, what kind of colors, designs, what kind of stuff you like, what kind of stuff you sort of don't like too much. And in terms of strengths, we're looking, are you more of a front end? Are you more of a back end? Where do you really put your energy? What really drives you when you're trying to build something? That's what we're looking for. And with that, I think that's everything I had to say for now. Again, if you have any questions, comments, always happy to answer. I also have someone else to be sort of supporting you guys in the more sort of technical sense. So if you do have questions, you can always send it to us. And yeah, thank you very much for listening, and we are very excited to look through all of your projects. Thank you.